For proper installation of GBA components coated bolts, you will need 6 bolts per light fixture, 6 lock washers per light fixture, a 3/8 inch 16 threads per inch tap with handle, a wire brush, a ratchet with a 9/16 inch socket, and a calibrated torque wrench. Optional equipment includes a low-speed drill and a torque limiter. Prior to installing new GBA components coated bolts, ensure that the threads of the base can are clean by running a 3/8 16 threads per inch tap through the threads. Next, use a wire brush to clean out any loose debris. After installing the gasket and making the proper electrical connections, place the light fixture into the flange ring, ensuring that the orientation is correct and that the bolt holes are aligned. Insert a bolt through a 2-part stainless steel lock washer and begin threading the bolt into the base can by hand or with a ratchet, just until snug. Always perform the final bolt torquing to the manufacturer's specifications using a calibrated torque wrench. We have determined that our coated bolts, torqued to 28 foot-pounds, will achieve the clamping force recommended in Federal Aviation Administration Engineering Brief 83A. Optionally, a torque limiter may be used for the initial snugging of the bolts. These torque limiters are available preset to 28 foot-pounds and will prevent over-torquing the bolts. The torque limiters are very accurate, but the final torque value should always be verified using a calibrated torque wrench. The torque limiters can also be used with a low-speed drill, operating at a speed of 300 RPM or lower. Torque the light fixture bolts in a star pattern to ensure even distribution of the clamping force. And that's it! You now have a properly installed and FAA-compliant light fixture. Be sure to keep up with scheduled maintenance, and thank you for choosing GBA components.